Good morning, guys. It's 12:20 a.m. in the morning in Dhaka, and it's the second day of Eid. So today we're gonna solve question number 9 and 10 of 15.1 normal integration. So I'm taking this pen here. So question 9 says that a curve is such that the second derivative has been given here. The gradient of the curve is 8 at 2,9 points. Okay, express y in terms of x. Okay, so guys, the given equation is d square y dx square. Basically, this thing is equal to 12x minus 12. Okay. For the first integration, I am taking integrating factor here. So this is dx, and from this part and this part, I will take individually differentiate. I mean integration factor here. So 12 is bound x dx minus 12 dx here, right? So this part would be 12x square over 2 and this part would be 12x plus and the c here and here would be d dx. Okay. Now it says that the gradient of the curve is 8. Okay, so we can input 8 here, which is 6x square minus 12 of x. Okay, plus c. So at 2 comma 9 we can input the value here. So 8 is equal to x value is 2, right? So this is 24 minus uh, this is also 24 plus c. So our c would be 8 here. Okay. So from the very beginning, we can say that the gradient is 6x squared minus 12x plus 8, which is our gradient, right? So we have to express, this is number A actually, guys. We have to express y in terms of x. Okay, so again, integration is needed here. So ddx of y and integrating factor here. So 6 is, we can keep constant in the front. So x squared dx minus 12 is the front x dx plus 8 just add dx here. Okay. So this is x. My this basis pen is not working properly. I'm sorry about it. So 6, this is x cube over 3 here. This is 12 x square over 2 here plus 8 of x plus c here. Okay. Now the value would be here 2x cube minus here is like a 6x square plus 8 of x plus c. The value of y is here, right? So the answer is 2x cube minus x square plus 5. Express y in terms of x. Why did I make a mistake here? Now I have to find out the value of c here, right? How do I find out the value of c here? Okay, the graph is also passing through the points. 2 comma 9 because it's a graph. So stationary point is a point on the graph, right? So 2 comma 9. I'm putting 9 here and 2 as a x. So 8, 8 to the 16 minus 24 plus this is also 16 plus 6. So 16, 16, 32 here minus 24 plus 6, 9, right? So this is 8, this is 9 plus c here. So here c value is 1. If I input c value 1, the answer doesn't match actually. So 2x cube minus 6x square plus 8x plus 1, which is completely bullshit. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I checked the answer as number 8. Oh my god, I'm out of my head. Okay, so 2x cube minus 6x square plus 8x plus 1 is the answer. Oh my god. Yeah, it matched. See, যখন মন খারাপ থাকে তখন মনে হয় যে আনসার হবে না, বাট ইট অ্যাকচুয়ালি ম্যাচড. Okay, so we got our first answer A, and now the question number B. What it asked? Show that the gradient of the curve is never less than 2. Okay, so what is the gradient here? We got from A, the gradient is like 6x square minus 12x plus 8. Okay, uh, okay, so we can make a completing a square here. So if I take 6 as a common from first 2, actually this is actual our concern. So it will be x square minus 2x. Okay, plus 8. I can take 6 common from 8 as well, but I don't want to make it more complex. No way, guys. So 6. The formula for computing square is if something like x square minus 2 dx. So the value would be x minus d square minus d square. This is the type of formula. If you guys know it, you can do it. Okay, no problem. So here x minus 2d is 1. So square, I mean 1 square minus 1 square. So this is the law here. Okay, so don't worry about it. Then plus 8 here. So guys, it says that 6 times x minus 1 square minus 6 times 1 square is 1, which is actually 6 plus 8. Okay, so 6 times x minus 1 square plus 2. Now the question asks that the gradient, I mean the ddx of y, this value can never be less than 2, right? Because guys see, this is like a factor, right? The minimum value that would like the minimum value x minus 1 whole square will make as a 0. Okay, when it will make it as 0 when x is equal to 1, guys. If I input the x value 1, then 1 minus 1 whole square, that would become a 0, right? If x minus 1 whole square, this total whole value is equal to 0, then it will time with 6, it will make a 0, right? But guys, if this whole part is 0, doesn't matter, we have a 2. So the minimum value of like a ddx of y, minimum value of ddx of y is 2, since x is equal to 1. Okay, the value must be more than 2 or 2, but never less than 2. This is the fact actually, guys. So guys, see, this is an integration problem, right? But we need the help of like a chapter 2 quadratics, right? So it's an interrelated, I guess. Okay, Paranai chill. So our question 9 done. So now the question 10. A curve is such that first gradient is given here where k is a constant. Okay, ভালো কথা হতেই পারে. The gradient of the normal to the curve at point 2 comma minus 1 is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Find the equation of the curve. Okay, no problem, no problem. First thing first, the curve is such that if we differentiate the curve, it will be like kx minus 5, where k is a constant. Okay, the gradient of the normal to the curve at point. Okay, the gradient of the normal is curve at right? At point 2 comma minus 1 is 1 by 3. Find the equation of the curve. Okay, no problem. Given as ddx of y is equal to kx minus 5 here. Okay, this is no problem. So if we integrate this value, ddx of y, integrating factor is dx, k in the front, x dx minus, 5 in the front, dx here. So kx square over 2, there is no problem, 5x plus c. And here is y. Now this is the curve, right? Here we have to find two values simultaneously. First of all, the value of the k and the value of the c. Okay, no problem. It will pass through this point, no problem. Okay. Okay. So here is y, which is 2, and like okay, 2 comma 1. Okay, minus 1 would be our value, which is 1 over 2. X value, shit. I'm getting it wrong, guys. Excuse me. What is a droplet, man? So y value is minus 1, x value is 2, k times 4 divided by 2 minus 10 plus c. So I guess 2k minus 10 plus c is equal to minus 1. So here is 9, 2k plus c, the first equation. Okay, I'm taking it. This is like an equation. Okay. Now the gradient of normal of the curve is this one, this. Okay. dt, okay, which is kx minus 5. I'm not sure it will work or not, but my guess is so. Okay, so okay, the gradient of normal, so which is actually tangent, right? If this is a tangent, ddxy is a tangent, right? So its normal would be like m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, right? So normal gradient is given as 1 by 3. So the tangent gradient would be guys, I'm doing it by my mind, which would be m is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1 by 3. So it become a 3. So this value would become a 3. Because the gradient of the normal is given as 1 by 3. So the equation has been given as a tangent. So I think we have to use as a tangent. Let's see. So this is a 3, and this 2 comma minus 1 is like a point through which the tangent and normal is going there, right? So we can put the values here. There is no problem, I guess. The x value is 2. So 2k minus 5. So this is 8 is equal to 2k. So k is equal to 4. So if k is equal to 4, then 9 plus 2 times, 2 times 4. I'm putting in this equation, guys. 2 times 4 plus c. So c value is 1. We got our thing that k is equal to 4 and c is equal to 1. So find the equation of the curve. So frankly, our y is needed here. So y will input in this equation k is 4, 4x square divided by 2 minus 5 times x plus c is 1. Okay, so this is 2x square minus 5x plus 1, which is the answer. Guys, it matched. Oh my god, I'm a superhero. Okay, sorry guys. Let's mark this way. Doesn't matter. Excuse me for my Bangla. Okay. So here the main twist or the main culprit is that here minus 1 by 3 is the gradient of normal. Okay, so the understanding between the gradient of normal and the gradient of tangent, I'm taking m1 is the gradient of tangent, and m2, okay, the gradient of normal. Okay, so m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1. Guys, here d dx of y, which is the tangent? Which is a tangent? What is this, guys? Tangent. But what we have given as normal, guys? What we have given normal, but we have to use tangent. So, if I want to make m1 as a subject, so minus 1 divided by m2. Here is the fact, minus 1 is fixed from the formula, but m2, the gradient of normal is given as minus 1 by 3. So the norma, I mean the gradient of tangent, which is 3, the gradient of tangent. This should be used in this part. So this is the fact, guys. So I guess you understand. My mood was bizarre type of bad today. Today was Eid in Bangladesh. As being a Muslim, we have to perform this thing. So ভাবলাম ম্যাথস করলে মুডটা ভালো হবে, and I did it. So thank you.